Good morning. This is a recording for Saturday, June 7th. Today's Zen story is titled The Gate That Was Never Closed. For years, June sought the wisdom of Master Tenzin, a hermit who lived atop a mountain shrouded in mist. The villagers spoke of his deep insight, yet no one had seen him take a student. Despite being aware of this, June climbed the steep path, determined to prove his worth. Reaching the summit, he found a wooden gate marking the entrance to the master's home. It stood slightly ajar. June hesitated, then proceeded to knock. No answer came. He knocked again. More silence. He waited, shifting from foot to foot, before finally pushing the gate open. Inside, he found a simple garden, a teapot steaming over a small fire, and Master Tenzin seated nearby, sipping his tea. June bowed deeply. Master, I've come a great distance to learn from you. Tenzin took another sip and nodded toward the gate. Did anyone stop you from entering? June blinked. No, master. Then why did you knock? June did not know. He looked back at the gate, then down at his own hands. A realization dawned on him. The path had never been blocked. Only his hesitation had kept him outside. Tenzin poured another cup of tea and gestured for June to sit. Take a comfortable position, and as always, take a moment to relax your body and arrive into stillness. Maybe gently close your eyes and take a nice, satisfying breath in and out. Feel the breath entering your nose, cool and light, and then feel the warmth as you exhale, releasing tension, allowing you to soften a bit. There is no need to change anything. Just observe and notice the space around you, the quiet spaces between sounds. Be here in this moment, just as it is. And when thoughts come, let them pass like clouds, like ripples, like water. And now take a moment to reflect. What doors in your life have been open all along, though you hesitated to walk through them? What doors in your life have been open all along, though you hesitated to walk through them? How often do you wait for permission when none is needed? How often do you wait for permission when none is needed? Now bring your hands to your heart, and as always, send the energy of loving kindness to yourself. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I remember that I have enough, I do enough, and I am enough. May I touch deep, natural peace. As you gently let go of the practice, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you, really? And as you go through your day today, I invite you to continue with these reflections and to check out our private circle group for practical moments of Zen you can play with during your day. As always, enjoy your discoveries. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a gorgeous day, and I will see you tomorrow.